Hey superstars, welcome back to the channel. So you guys, it is flu season, okay? So we're gonna whip up a quick little juice for you guys, which is included in our ebook, which will be linked for you in the description box. It's actually just like literally 3 ingredients, 4 if you count the black pepper, but it's just an immunity boosting drink, you guys. So I have on a glove because we have some turmeric in here and I don't want my hands to get stained. But here are our ingredients, honey. So we have cara oranges, we have carrots, and we have turmeric. And then we have some black pepper. Sorry, black pepper? What? We got black pepper, child. But if it's your first time to the channel, welcome. My name is Angie and this is Life with Star Honey. And today you're getting a juicing video. If you feel it in your spirit and your soul to give this video a thumbs up, don't forget to do that. But also subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, like, comment, share, and drop a comment in the comment section if you guys have purchased our ebook or you plan to after this video, or if you do while you're watching this video. So look at that beautiful color, you guys. It's going to be a nice, pretty orange juice. Going to be super, super yummy. I love cara oranges because they're not as like acidic. They actually have more of a sweeter taste, mild sweet taste to them. They're kind of like in the family with like grapefruits, kind of, but they don't have that kind of like true orange color to them. They have a little bit more of like a pinky tone to them. Very, 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 very yummy, you guys. So like I said, this is an easy video, so we're gonna go ahead and load our ingredients into our juice chamber. This is the Nama J2 cold pressed juicer from namawell.com. And yeah, that's it. So let's go ahead and get to juicing because this is gonna be a very quick video, you guys. It's not gonna be complicated at all, and I don't wanna hold you guys this weekend up. So yeah, let's get to it. All right, you guys, so I'm just going to drop everybody in here. I think it's all gonna fit. I may not use all the turmeric, and the reason why I'm using gloves, you guys, is because, let me rub this in my hands a little bit. Ooh, Lord, we almost lost it. Can you guys see? This stains pretty easily, and like normally I'll just like wash my hands with like a little soap vinegar solution, but I'm not in the mood to do all that today. So let's see. The normal recipe calls for 1 cara orange to 3 carrots to a knob of turmeric. But since we have 4 in here and the carrots are pretty big that I have, I'm going to drop 4 cara oranges, 3 large carrots, okay, and I have 3 like chunks of turmeric. Oh, fuck it. Sorry for the cursing, y'all. We're just gonna drop everybody in there. So I'm gonna turn it on and I'm gonna let her go. This is real time, you guys, on the Nama J2. The smell, like, whoa. I want y'all to get into the pulp here that you're seeing. So remember, we said we did 4 cara oranges. No, the cara. 4 cara oranges. We did 3 large and in charge carrots. And then we did the 3 knobs, or the 3 chunks of turmeric. And it's looking like we are about to kiss the 16 ounce mark. One of our oranges is stuck though, so let's unlodge that so that we can continue. All right, y'all, so we're letting that last little bit finish up. I mean, look at that go. Such a pretty color. All right, y'all, we're going to unload our juice here. Yummy, yummy. And then I'm just going to pick up our whole system and just get whatever's left over out of there. It's just like every drop counts, honey, because stuff is too expensive. Oh. Okay. All right, y'all. All right, y'all, so I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of black pepper in there. Give me a spoon. Just give it a good little mix. All right, this is a 16-ounce glass, you guys, so let's see if we really get 16 ounces of juice here. Ooh, just a pinch short, but that is okay. Those Cara oranges were actually fairly small. I've been able to find some bigger ones before, but yeah. All right, you guys, here's the juice. Happy juicing. Don't forget the link to the ebook will be in the description box. Excuse me. And yeah, happy juicing, you guys. It's flu season. This is a great juice to have in your little weekly lineup to help just combat any type of like ailments that are coming your way, honey. And honestly, like, it's just super delicious. That's good. Ooh. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Hold on. I would get on camera, but I have a face mask on and my hair is like Chewbacca right now. But the extra turmeric in this juice is hitting. It actually does have a bit of like a earthy tone to it, but the Cara oranges, because they're so much more naturally sweet, just have that pinch of underlying flavor to help just kind of balance out the earthiness of the turmeric, because carrots are not earthy, y'all. Carrots are sweet. I need y'all to remember that carrots are sweet, okay? But this is a great juice that's going to be great for blood pressure, cholesterol, your eyes, your hair, your skin, your nails, your immune system. Great combination of drink right here. But don't forget, when you're using fresh turmeric, you have to use black pepper to help activate the turmeric, okay, you guys? Super yummy, y'all. Like, I'm about to sit down, mind my business, and enjoy my juice. But don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, share this video. Don't forget to purchase the ebook to get your journey into juicing started today, no later than tomorrow. It is super beginner friendly, you guys. Sorry, excuse me. See, this is why I'm drinking this juice, because like, what's going on in my throat, honey? Ugh. But it's super beginner friendly, you guys. At most, like 3 ingredient juices for all of the recipes, aside from like any of the boosters, which are like your ginger, your turmeric, like, yeah. So super easy, very straight to the point. This juice and more, like, yes, honey. Cheers, you guys. Happy juicing. And then also follow us on our other social media platforms, which will also be listed in the description box. Subscribe to our channel today, honey, no later than tomorrow. And click the notification bell so you guys don't miss the next upload. So, yeah, happy juicing. Spread love, because it's free and it costs you nothing to tell somebody that you love them, honey. And I love you for coming and watching today. Cheers.